In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a Pine script to TradingView the easiest way. If you want to add a custom indicator or strategy into your TradingView chart, this process is actually very simple once you know where everything is. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without getting lost. Start by going to the TradingView website. Once the homepage loads, look near the top area and click on Products. This is the section that helps you access TradingView's charting tools and related features. If you're new to the platform, don't worry. You don't need to understand everything on the screen right away. For this tutorial, we're only focusing on getting to the chart interface where Pine script can be inserted. Once you are inside TradingView and looking at the chart screen, take a moment to get familiar with the layout. The chart will usually be in the center with tools and panels placed around it. What you want to pay attention to next is the right side sidebar. This area contains several icons and shortcuts for different built-in features. On that right sidebar, click the Pine tree icon. This is the Pine script area, and selecting it will reveal TradingView's built-in coding console or editor. This is the place where you can work with scripts, whether you're creating your own or pasting in one from another source. Next, copy the external Pine script code you want to use. Make sure you copy the full script exactly as provided so nothing is missing. Even a small error like leaving out a line or copying extra characters can stop the script from working properly. After that, go back to the Pine script editor and paste the copied code into the clean, empty editor box. If there is already text in the editor, make sure you are working in the correct blank area before pasting. Keeping the editor clean helps avoid conflicts with any existing code. Once the script is pasted in, click Add to Chart. TradingView will then process the code and attempt to load it directly onto your chart. If the script is valid, you should see the indicator or strategy appear almost immediately. And that's it. That's the easiest way to insert a Pine script into TradingView. If the script doesn't appear right away, carefully review what was pasted into the editor and make sure the code was copied completely. With those steps done correctly, you should be able to start using your script on the chart in just a few clicks.